In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import video in Davinci Resolve. First, launch Davinci Resolve from your desktop or applications folder. When it opens, you'll land on the project manager. If you already have a project you want to add clips to, open it here. This keeps all your new footage organized in the right place from the start. If you don't see your recent projects, just look for the one you've been working on and double-click to open it. Once your project is open, head to the Edit page. You'll find the Edit icon along the bottom of the interface. Click it to switch into the workspace that's designed for timeline editing and clip organization. This view gives you the timeline in the center, your viewer on the right, and most importantly for this task, the media pool in the top left. In the media pool, look for the bin labeled Master. This is the default container for your clips. Right-click on the master area and choose Import Media. That will open your operating system's file browser so you can point Resolve to your footage. Now, navigate to the folder that holds your video files. Resolve supports common formats like MP4, MOV, and MXF, among others. Select the files you want to bring in. You can choose a single clip or hold Shift or Control to select multiple files at once. When you're ready, click Open. Resolve will link to these files where they currently live on your drive. So a quick tip here. Keep your media in a stable, well-labeled folder and avoid moving it after import to prevent offline media issues later. At this point, you may see a pop-up that asks if you want to change project frame rate. If your footage has a specific frame rate and you want your timeline to match it exactly, for example, your clips are 24 frames per second, click Change. That will align your project's timeline to your footage, which helps avoid unnecessary frame conversions. If you're mixing different frame rates or already set your project the way you like, you can choose to keep your current settings. Just remember, the base timeline frame rate is difficult to change later, so it's worth deciding thoughtfully. After the import, your clips will appear in the media pool with thumbnails and file names, ready for use. You can preview them in the source viewer, check metadata, and start organizing bins if you like. And that's all it takes to bring your video files into Davinci Resolve quickly and cleanly.